Alright folks, today we're planting honeyberries. What are they? Glad you asked. Think of them as blueberries that spend a semester studying abroad, cultured, refined, and radiating an aura of sophistication. They're one of the first berries to ripen in spring, so while other plants are still snoozing, honeyberries are out here, thriving. First, hole dimensions. We're looking at 40 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters deep. Spacing, keep them 1.50 meters apart so they don't feel cramped. But if you're going for a hedge, you can plant them closer. Now, we're giving these babies a buffet, starting with a handful of pelleted cow manure. Fancy, right? Then a little peat moss for extra moisture retention. Now, mix it all up with the original soil, like it's the best salad ever. Good news, honeyberries aren't picky. They thrive in soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. So basically, as long as your soil isn't made of pure despair, you're good. My honeyberry has been chilling in water for 30 minutes. Some people skip this step, but I like to give them a little pre-game hydration. Oops, too deep. No worries, just add some soil to even it out. Alright, tucking it in, gently pressing the soil down. And now, hydration time. Don't be shy with the water. Quick pollination hack. Plant at least 2 different cultivars. Most honeyberries need a buddy to set fruit, so don't leave them lonely. Mulch time. I'm using pine bark and straw because they keep the soil moist and weeds out. Now, I'm doing something experimental, pruning it at about 30 centimeters. It's optional, and normally you don't prune much in the first 3 to 5 years. But hey, science. And that's it. Honeyberries are in the ground and ready to grow. Like this video if you love plants.